Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing new fuel lines on an Echo srm-3100. Is that what it is? Yeah, srm-3100. The fuel tank's loose too. They got some not so OEM bolts in it. We're going to be replacing those. So I guess first thing I'm going to do is try to find the right bolts. Get these out, try to find the right bolts, get this gas tank fastened down properly. Like the frame's broken on this side here. Nothing I can do about that, but with 3 good bolts in it, it should be fine. I don't know what the heck they were thinking when they did that, but we're going to go ahead and get this bolt out here somehow. I'm going to... Oh, they're starting to go. A freaking screw. It's not even a bolt. We threw a screw in there. All right, I got a bucket of bolts that I take out of 2 strokes. Let's see if I can find the right ones. Find the right sizes. So we're going to need something about yay long, I guess. Is this the right size? Oh, we're going to find out. Let me use both hands here. Yeah, so this still bolt fits right in there. So it's like about the right length. Just gotta bend these back. So I got them bent where it's straight, and then I gotta bend this to where it's straight, and then get it all put back together. Oh jeez. Back plate back in there, and see if I can get this to wiggle down into place. I'm gonna need both hands to get in there. Get them in there, get them nice and tightened up. It's threading in pretty good. And everything's nice and tight on there now. I mean, it's still broken over here, but we're not even going to worry about that. With 3 bolts in there, it's nice and tight. Let's go ahead and get these fuel lines swapped out. I'll put these in the description below. Pretty cheap. You can get a whole thing, carburetor and everything, super cheap online. This one runs, so it's just it seeps gas out of the grommet. So we're just going to go ahead and replace it. You just get your screwdriver in there and you pry up and pop it out. I need to use both hands because I got to hold the weed eater at the same time. Alright, so yellow line's a return line. That was the closest one. Furthest one away is your fuel filter. And then this is your vent. Stuck in there. What the heck? Alright. And the filter's down in there. The new set, I'm going to pull the filter this way a little bit through the grommet so that it is shorter on the top than the other line. That way we know which line is the filter line. Like that. Now we know the short one up here is the filter line. We'll pull them to the length we need and cut off any extra as we go. Stick this right down into the gas tank. And then you get the back side of the grommet in, and you just push it back down in. Sometimes you got to use a screwdriver to really force it down in there. But again, the back line is the filter line. So we're going to stab that one in first. You see in there, and the sun's starting to get on me here. Let me turn this thing around. Sun's starting to come in through the door in the afternoon. It's blinding the video. All right. You see in there, it's kind of long, so we're going to pull it back off, shorten it up a little bit, and then pop it back on. On there nice and straight like that. Then we're going to go ahead with the return line. We're going to cut it to length and stab it on. Just like that. The vent goes right up in the bottom here. It's too long, but we're not going to worry so much about that. We're just going to shove it down into the grommet, and that'll take up the extra line for that. Just like that. It goes all the way up into here, so you get it slide in and it goes all the way up in there. Alright guys, and then I'm going to prime it, see what she does. She primed. See if she starts to run still. Easy peasy. Alright guys, simple repair. I'll put the parts in the description below. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, show a little support. Click the link if you want the parts. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to have you. Peace.